Hello everyone, welcome to this very interesting video in which I am going to explain you a short trick of how to draw the shape of SFD and BMD. So many times this question is asked in the competitive exam also, as well as the question is asked regarding drawing the shape of SFD BMD. Students do the mistake. So here I am going to tell you one trick so you will never do the mistake in drawing the shape of SFD and BMD. I am not going to solve the problem. I have already solved, but I am just going to explain you the about the shape. Okay. So you have to remember this table. So the table contains first is the type of loading, second shape of SFD, and third one is the shape of BMD. So first load case is no load. So whenever there is a no load, the shape of SFD will be a 0 degree line. So the 0 degree line will be a horizontal line. Okay. And shape of BMD will be a 1 degree line. So a 1 degree line is a inclined line. Okay. Second case is UDL. So UDL is we have to show the UDL like this. So we show the UDL like this, or sometimes it is shown like this. So it is nothing but a 0 degree line. Okay. So the shear force diagram shape will be 1 degree line, that is inclined line, and BMD diagram will be square parabola, that is 2 degree line. Now UVL, third load case is UVL. So UVL, we know that we show the UVL like this, right? So this is a 1 degree line, inclined line. So the shape of SFD will be 2 degree line, that is square parabola, and shape of BMD will be 3 degree line, cubic parabola. So the trick is, here you can see UVL is 1 degree line, so you have to add 1 degree to get the SFD shape, and if you add 1 degree you will get the BMD shape. Similarly, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So here dash 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So you have to add 1 degree line. Okay. Now I will show the application of this trick. So this is one problem. I have already solved this problem. I am just going to show you how to apply this trick. Okay. So this is the table, right? So here you can see there is a 20 kilonewton load is there. This is the shear force diagram. I will just increase the font size. I'll take the yellow, and this is the line. Okay. So this is 20. Okay. Now A to C, there is no load. So when there is a no load, the shape of shear force diagram will be horizontal line. So we'll go like this. Okay. Next, C to D, there is a uniformly varying load. That means this is a 1 degree curve. So in order to get the shear force, you have to draw 2 degree curve. Okay. So this will be a curve line. Okay. Now D to B, D to B, there is no any load. So it will be a horizontal line. Now there is a point load. That's why we'll go up. Now B to E, again there is a no load. So horizontal line. And this is the end of the beam. So you'll come down. So this is the way you can draw the shear force diagram. Okay. Now I will show you how to draw the BMD. in drawing the BMD, it is important that we should have a look on the shear force diagram also. Okay, so this is our starting point. I have already plotted the values. So 20, first A to C, there is no load. So no load, hence shape of the BMD will be 1 degree line, that is straight line. So join this by a straight line. Now, if you see in the problem, C to D, there is a uniformly varying load. So for uniformly varying load, the BMD will be cubic parabola. Okay. Now how to draw this? Now at this point, there is some value of the shear force is there. That's why there will be some slope. Okay. Now at this point, the shear force is 0. Hence, there will be a flat line. And at this point, there is some shear force value. Hence, there will be some slope to the bending moment diagram. And now you have to just join this like this. Okay. Now in figure, you can see D to B, there is no load. So when there is a no load, the shape of BMD will be 1 degree. That means a straight line. So we'll come down like this. Next, again B to E, there is no load. So whenever there is a no load, dash SFD will be 0 degree line, BMD will be 1 degree line. That means it is an inclined line. So this is how you can apply this trick. So you just need to remember, whenever there is no load, whenever there is a no load, the shear force shape will be 0 degree line, BMD will be 1 degree line. For UDL, that means 0 degree line, the shape of SFD will be 1 degree line, shape of BMD will be 2 degree line. When there is a UVL, that means 1 degree line, there will be SFD of 2 degree line and BMD will be of 3 degree line. Okay, so 0 means horizontal line, 1 degree means inclined line, and for the square parabola, the shape will be like parabola. Okay, so this is the trick. I hope you will practice, and so that you will draw the diagram correctly. So thank you. If you have any doubt related to SFD BMD, you can ask in the comment box. I will surely reply. Thank you. Thank you so much.